Data handling. Data handling means collecting, counting, and organizing things. Now look at the picture and count the number of objects in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sausages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces of bread. 1, 2. 2 bottles. 1, 2. 2 glasses of orange juice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 forks. 1, 2. 2 jars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces of watermelon.